I am going to explain in detail how you can make money using AI. In recent times, there have been thousands of videos being made on artificial technology and how they are here to take over the world. But I am here to show you how to take advantage of these new opportunities presented by AI technology and make money. If you are interested, continue watching.
Today we'll be diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring how you can turn your passion for AI into a profitable venture. If you are ready to make money with AI, stick around and we will walk you through 5 steps to get started. So our first step is to identify a problem. Look for areas where AI can make a real difference in solving real life problems. Think about sectors. So you think about sectors like healthcare, finance, transportation, customer service, even writing blogs. Think about sectors and what problems they might have and find a solution for that problem within each sector.
Okay, so here we're on ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to suggest some issues that we can solve using AI. We're going to look for issues in the finance sector that can be solved using AI. So here you see ChatGPT give us a number of AI in finance solutions, from fraud detection to AI algorithm to analyze fraud, risk assessment and management. AI can also assist in that area, customer service and personalization. So there are a number of areas that you can solve with AI technology or with just your presence using AI in this field, and this is just one sector from those given.
Step 2 is to learn the tool. To dive in the world of AI, you need to equip yourself with specialized knowledge. Take the time to learn about artificial intelligence and machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. There are many online courses that you guys can take. There are also a variety of YouTube videos that you guys can watch to learn about how these machine learning AI technologies actually work and where to find free AI technology to use to solve whatever problem it is that you have identified in a particular sector. Step 3 is to build a team. Success in the AI field often comes from collaborating with others who have complementary skills and knowledge about the AI industry. Look for persons in the field of even computer science, software development, business strategy. By bringing together a very well-equipped team, you are better able to satisfy whatever problem it is you wish to solve with your own AI technology. Now that you have a team in place, it's time to build a prototype. So the next step, as you guessed it, is to actually develop and test a prototype. The prototype will serve as proof that it can actually solve whatever problem it is you have identified. Because remember, we are trying to make money or maximize our profits using AI technology. So this is something that you want to put on the market and sell to whatever industry, whatever sector it is that you have found the problem with. So you will need to have a prototype to show to persons who you will be marketing your AI technology to, so that they are convinced that this AI technology can actually solve the issue that it set out or it was developed to actually solve, to make life easier within that industry.
So in ChatGPT, we can use it to develop our code. So I'm going to reply to this and say make a code for issue number 7. As you can see, it automatically develops a code for issue number 7, and it gives you step by step how you can develop this AI in the background. So this right here, you can copy the code here, but this right here is a code that will help with issue number 7, which is portfolio management, where AI algorithms can optimize investment portfolios based on predefined goals. So with your team, you may have persons who have knowledge of computer science and coding. You can give them this code and you can optimize this code to make it better, and also use this code, develop a website and back test it, because this will be in the back end of your website, and show persons in the finance world. Look at brokerage firms and tell them that you can optimize their system, their investment portfolios with AI technology that you have developed. Of course, you have to test this and tweak it where necessary.
Also, with this prototype, you are able to identify where the AI is falling short, and you can make it even better and even more of a marketable product to those in your target market. And the final step is to monetize your product, because that is the goal of this entire video. So it is time to consider charging persons to gain access to your AI service. The monetization process of your AI software all depends on you and the type of target market that you are in. Say for instance, you have targeted the finance sector and you made an AI software to solve problems. The finance field is often a higher earning market field than, for say for example, the customer service field. So if you're in the finance field, you might want to charge a little bit more for your AI software than if you were catering to a customer that is in the service industry. So at the end of the day, the monetization or the cost of your AI software all depends on you and whatever work you have put in and what you think you deserve for the work that you and your team had put into building this AI technology. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to turn your AI passion into a profitable venture. But remember, building a successful AI business takes dedication, continuous learning, and staying informed about the latest trends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching.